How to access support on the game 8-Ball Pool. Let's go ahead and start the video. First of all, open 8-Ball Pool on your device. After that, click on Settings, which you can see on the bottom left hand corner. Then scroll all the way down. After you have scrolled all the way down, you can see something like Help and Support under the Info settings. Go ahead and tap on Contact Us. As soon as you click on Contact Us, you can see this is for requesting or submitting a request. You can just go ahead and tap on your query. After you have done that, write down your email address, then write down your player unique ID. Then you can add up to 100 characters over here, whatever you wish you want to. And you can just go ahead and write down the description, which is the complaint or feedback you want. After that, you can just go ahead and tap on Submit, or else you can also attach the attachments by clicking on Add File. So guys, this is how easy it is to access the support on the game 8-Ball Pool. I hope this video was helpful for you. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more.